Hey, Kevin. I'm Jeremy Ashburn with Push Leads. And what I do is help disaster restoration companies get more clients. And I do this by making them more visible at the top of Google when people search for water damage in the city they're based out of. Okay, so I started working with a disaster restoration company out of Asheville, North Carolina, about 6 months ago. And when we started, they didn't have a lot of customers. They weren't really showing up at all in Google, I think for 2 or 3 terms. That was just their name. And they were only booked out 1 or 2 weeks in advance. They had to do a lot of pay-per-click ads to get business. And after working with them for 6 months, they're now at the top of Google for 8 search terms, including restoration company and flood damage restoration. And so they've got 8 searches at the top of Google. Their traffic has increased by 80%, and they've actually had to hire more people, a new general manager, expand and grow the business. So this whole SEO thing, showing up the top of Google, think of this sort of like billboards. You're driving along the side of the road and you see billboards. What if you could own more and more billboards on the side of the road, right? That would be awesome. Multiple locations in the interstate, in the city. Well, that's kind of what you're doing with SEO. You're owning more and more searches at the top of Google. And when more and more people see you, that's top of mind. So I wanted to show you your website and how sort of we could improve it to get to the top of Google. So I'm going to share my screen real quick with you. Just take about a minute of your time. So this is us. We connected on LinkedIn right before the holidays or during the holidays. And this is your business in Google, United Water Restoration Groups. You've got 16 reviews. That's great. Looks like you guys are based out of Ormond Beach. This is the website. It's a nice, clean website. I definitely think you could push the design a little bit, but I do like how clean it is. Now, this tool here is telling me that you're only showing up for your name, United Water and United Water Restoration. So that's strong. That's maybe about 3,500 people a month, maybe 4,000 people a month. But you're not showing up for these other terms that are valuable. For example, water restoration. Okay, so you're at the top of Google's second page for water restoration. And water damage Houston. I know you've got multiple locations, water damage Orlando, water extraction. So these terms that aren't at the top of Google really should be at the top. If I look at all these terms and just find the highest volume term, just so I can give you, water restoration is sort of like your highest volume term. And there's about almost 4,000 people every month looking for water restoration. And if you could own that term as well as other valuable terms, then your business would really start to grow. And even across the multiple locations, your franchise would start to grow. So I just wanted to invite you to have a little chat with me if any of this sounds interesting. I'm not sure if you're working with a company right now. It's okay if you are. We could just have a little, I'd like to do a 30-minute chat with you, and we could show you how we could do the same with you, how we could get you to the top of Google like we have for this disaster restoration company right here in Asheville. So I'm Jeremy Ashburn, and my company is Push Leads, and it's pushleads.com, and you're welcome to call me directly at 828-329-4777, and talk to you soon. Thanks for your time.